Welcome! In front of me I have CMF Watch 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to open the Nothing X application on the phone that our watch is paired with. So tap on the icon to open the app. In the app you should see your CMF Watch 3 Pro. Now scroll down and look for the option called, I believe, Device Settings, and tap on it. And here scroll down and look for the option called Unbind Device. Tap on it, tap on Unbind, and wait. The watch will disappear from the list of devices, or from the app actually, and it will start resetting itself to the factory default settings, as you can see. And after a few seconds you should see the list of languages on the screen of the watch, and that means that the reset is complete and the watch is unpaired from your phone. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.